Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 5 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is excellent. Let's get started. Good luck. He in the library when I saw him. Right answer is B, was reading. I did not have money to buy the book. Right answer is C, much. We were not allowed phones in class. Right answer is A, to use. She sings, then her sister. Right answer is C, better. I have never visited Paris. I would love to. Right answer is A, but. He arrived, time for the meeting. Right answer is C, on. They have been friends, childhood. Right answer is B, since. The book was so interesting that I it in one day. Right answer is A, finished. You must apologize, her. Right answer is B, too. He does not enjoy TV. Right answer is C, watching. There are not apples left in the basket. Right answer is A, any. The train had already when we reached the station. Right answer is B, left. I saw a man, a red hat. Right answer is C, wearing. The students were punished because the rules. Right answer is C, had broken. My cousin, along with her friends, coming to visit us. Right answer is A, is. I will wait here. You come back. Right answer is B, until. He told me that he to London last year. Right answer is a went. We don't allow in the library. Right answer is A, talking. If he harder, he would pass. Right answer is B, studied. The flowers smell. Right answer is C, sweet. By next month, I will this project. Right answer is B, have completed. She is looking forward to her family. Right answer is A, seeing. The work must, by tomorrow. Right answer is C, be completed. You had better. Now. Right answer is B, leave. She has been working here 5 years. Right answer is A, 4.